Hello my dear students. In this video we'll discuss class 11 mathematics chapter 3 trigonometric functions. This is part 2 of the formulae. In part 1 we have discussed 50% formulae in which the addition and subtraction of angles for sine, cos, tan, cot, and we have learned the short tricks to remember that. Now in part 2 we will discuss the double angle, triple angle formulas and this cos. We'll discuss this. In last formula we have seen in first part, that is cos 2x. Here it is sin 2x. So cos 2x was cos square x minus sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now here sin of 2x. Sin 2x is equals to 2 of sin x cos x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So there are two formulas. Now tan 2x is nothing but sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Sin 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So this is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Now triple angle formula, sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Here sin, so sin. Sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, and cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. The sign is same, minus minus. Here sin for sin, and here cos for cos. But in sin it's 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So 3 is here, so cube is here, and here cube, so 3 is here. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is cos 3x. That way you can remember. Now tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. This also you can get by sin 3x by cos 3x and then converting that in tan. So tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now cos of x plus cos of y. So cos x plus cos y. We will learn cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y in first part. Here cos x plus cos y, that is different than this. So cos x plus cos y is equals to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So here c plus c, so 2cc. Now cos x minus cos y is equals to minus 2. Just remember here in cos of minus, cos x minus cos y, it is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So cos x minus cos y is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So in cos x plus cos y it's 2cc, but in cos x minus cos y it's minus 2 ss. Okay, it's negative, so minus 2 ss for sin. Now sin x plus sin y is equals to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So sin x plus sin y is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. One angle is x plus y by 2, other angle is x minus y by 2. Okay, and here in sin plus sin it's 2 sc, means 2 sin cos. And sin x minus sin y it's 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So here again angle x plus y by 2, x minus y by 2. These are very helpful in solving this proof questions. So sin x minus sin y is 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. In sin x plus sin y it's 2 sc, and first is positive then negative angle, means x plus y by 2 and x minus y by 2. And then sin x minus sin y it's 2 cos sin. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Now 2 cos x cos y. This you can easily get with this. 2 cos x cos y is equals to cos of x plus y plus cos of x minus y. This cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y. We have discussed the short trick in first part. So 2 cos x cos y is equals to cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, and minus 2 sin x sin y. Here it was minus 2 na, minus 2 sin. So similarly here minus 2 sin x sin y is equals to cos of x plus y minus cos of x minus y. Means first is cos x plus y and then here plus in cos cc, and minus 2ss it's minus. cos x minus y. Now 2 sin x cos y is equals to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 sin x cos y is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. First is sin, second is also sin. Means cos cos or minus 2 sin sin. Means cos cos sin sin. If it is same, it's cos 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 cos. But it sin cos or cos sin with xy angles, this sin sin and sin sin. If it is different, means sin cos cos sin. So both are of sin. If it is same, cos cos sin sin. So both are of cos. And here minus 2, this is minus cos of x plus x minus y. Now 2 sin x cos y is sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. 2 cos x sin y is equals to sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Now equation based trigonometric equations you can solve by sin x equals to 0. When it is 0, sin x is 0 at x equals to n pi. Means if sin pi, that is 0, sin 0 is 0, sin 2 pi is 0, sin minus pi is 0. So this n can be any integer. N belongs to z. Z belongs to integer. Z denotes integer. So its n can be positive and negative integers. So sin x will be 0 for those values of x. Similarly, cos x equals to 0. So x is equals to 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1 is odd because n is any integer. If I put n equals to 1, so 2 plus 1 it's 3 pi by 2. So 2n plus 1 is odd, 2n is even. So 2n plus 1 pi by 2 means odd multiple of pi by 2 for x. Cos x is equals to 0 where n is also an integer. Now sin x equals to sin y. If this is equation where sin x equals to sin y is there, then what is this actually? We get here one value, generally one value, but it's general solution. General solution means it's large solution. So x equals to n pi. So we are getting many values, infinitely many values, because this value repeats, na? So this is the solution. So sin x equals to sin y. This means x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n y, where n belongs to z. N is integer. So if sin x equals to sin y, x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n y. I'll explain these three after this. Now to clear that your concept. Now cos x equals to cos y means x equals to 2n pi plus minus y, where n belongs to integer. N is integer. You have to remember sin x equals to sin y, so x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into y. X and y both are angles here. Cos x equals to cos y, so x equals to 2n pi plus minus y. I will explain why it comes. Tan x equals to tan y implies x equals to n pi plus y. Now just understand this solution. The concept, this is first quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant. This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Now sin x equals to sin y, so x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n y. Why it comes? Just say if n is odd, minus 1 power odd will be negative. So n pi plus of minus y means n pi minus y. N pi means this first round, this half round, or this full round, or this 1.5 round, or 2 round. Okay, because this is pi by 2 pi. So this n pi and minus y, where y is acute angle. So n pi minus y means second quadrant. In first quadrant everything is positive, all positive. Here sin positive, here tan positive, and in fourth quadrant cos positive. So when sin is positive in second quadrant and in first quadrant. So if this n equals to odd means if n is 1, so this is pi plus minus y. So pi minus y. So this pi minus y means second quadrant, sin is positive. And if n is even means n is 2. So this is 2 pi plus minus 1 power 2. Minus 1 power 2 means negative power 2 is plus 1. So 2 pi plus pi. Now here pi, 2 pi plus y. 2 pi plus y means in first quadrant. So in first and second, sine is of positive. So sin x equals to sin y implies x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n into y. I think it is clear. Now cos x equals to cos y. This implies x is equals to 2n pi plus minus y. How it comes? Now 2n pi, n belongs to integer, and whatever you take, either odd or even, this 2n pi is always even. Okay, if n I take 1, this is 2 pi. If n I take 2, it is 4 pi. So 2 pi is this pi plus pi. This is 2 pi. 1 round 2 pi. 2 rounds 4 pi. That way. Means after this round, this plus or minus y. This plus y goes in first quadrant. Minus y goes in last fourth quadrant. So in first and fourth quadrant, cos is positive. That's why here cos x equals to cos y. So x is equals to 2n pi plus minus y. Now last formula, tan x equals to tan y. This implies x is equals to n pi plus y. Where tan is positive, just saying here all means n is positive here. St means here tan is positive. All stc plus. That way you can remember this. So all positive, sine positive, tan positive and cos positive. So we are written here shortcut for sine, cos and tan. But sine, so cosec is also positive here. Tan, so cot is also positive here. Cos, so sec is also positive here, because these are the reciprocals of these trigonometric ratios. So tan x equals to tan y implies x equals to n pi plus y. Here n is integer. Now if n is odd integer, means this is pi, 3 pi, 5 pi and so on. So this pi means this pi and plus y. Pi plus y means in third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is positive. Now if it is even, so this 2 pi plus y, this pi, 2 pi, 2 pi plus y, this is also positive in first quadrant. So in tan first and third quadrant it's positive. That's why we are writing it's n pi plus y. For cos x equals to cos y, we are writing 2n pi plus minus y, because cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant, and sin x equals to sin y means x equals to n pi plus minus 1 power n y, because sin is positive in first and second quadrant. I think it is clear to you. Okay, just practice, revise it. So this will be very helpful in your exams, and similarly you will get for all other chapters. If you like, just comment your feedback, your suggestions. If you have any doubt, just write that also. Please like and share our videos and subscribe my channel to get such types of videos. Thanks for watching.